Hello students of class 2. Today we will do the chapter water around us. Okay. So open your EVS book to the lesson water around us and let us start the lesson today. So let us come to the slideshow and let us see what we will learn in this lesson today. So open your EVS books to the lesson water around us. Today's date is the 21st. So, the name of the lesson is water around us. Everyone, I hope you have opened your EVS books. Let us start the lesson, okay? All living things need water to live. So, every living thing needs water to live, okay? All living things need water. Water is very necessity. Water is a very necessary thing, okay? It is a necessity for us to live, okay? Water is a necessity for every living thing to live. Water has many uses in our life. What are the uses of water? Water is used for drinking, water is used for cooking, water is used for bathing, water is used for washing and cleaning, water is used for watering plants, water is used to put out fires. So what all water is used for? Water is used for drinking, isn't it? We drink water every day. Water is very essential. We need to drink water. Water is used when we cook food. Water is used when we take a bath. Water is used when we are cleaning and washing. Now, isn't it, students? Water is used for watering plants. And water is used to put out fires. So water is very important, okay? Boats and ships travel on water. Water is used in factories to make different things. So boats and ships travel on water. And water is used in factories to make different things, okay? Now, plants and animals also need water to live, okay? Every living thing needs water. Plants and animals also need water to live, okay? Plants get water from the rain, okay? Their roots also get water that is under the ground. So, plants get the water from rain, okay? And their roots also get water that is under the ground. So, how does plant get water? Plants get water from rain and their roots also get water that is under the ground. Animals drink water from rivers and lakes. Okay, animals drink water from rivers and lake. So, plants and animals all need water. Animals drink the water from rivers and lakes. Okay, so this is why we have to water plants and give clean drinking water to our pets. So this is the reason why when we have plants in our home, we have to water those plants every day. And if we have pets in our home, we have to give them clean drinking water every day. Because every living thing needs water for its survival. Okay, every living thing needs water. Water is very important for every living thing. Now let us go and see next. Sources of water. Now let us see what are the sources of water. Okay. We get water from many sources. There are two sources of water. Natural sources and man-made sources. Okay. Natural sources are God-given sources. Okay. Which is given by God on the earth. Those are natural sources. And man-made sources is which is made by man. Okay. Natural sources which it is already existent on the earth. It is already present on the earth. It is naturally given to us on the earth. Man-made sources is made by man. Okay. Man-made sources is made by man. Okay. Rivers, ponds and lakes are natural sources of water. So what are the natural sources of water? Rivers, ponds, lakes, these are the natural sources of water. These sources of water are filled by rainwater. So how does this water gets filled in the rivers, ponds and lakes? Water gets filled into the rivers, ponds and lakes by rainwater. What is rainwater? The water that we get from rain is called rainwater. So the rainwater fills the rivers, ponds and lakes. Okay, these are natural sources of water. Some rainwater also goes to the ground and gets collected below. The water present below the ground is called groundwater. So some rainwater seeps through the ground, okay, and gets collected below the ground. The water that is present below the ground is called groundwater. We take out groundwater by digging wells and using hand pumps and tube wells. Okay. So how do we take out groundwater? By digging wells from wells. Okay. Using hand pump. See, hand pump and tube wells. By these things we take out groundwater. Okay. We build dams and canals to use river water. Okay, so dams and canals are built to use river water. These are some of the man-made sources of water. Alright, so these are the man-made sources of water. They are made by man. Okay, we mainly use rainwater and water from rivers for our different uses. So we use rainwater and water from rivers for different uses. Okay, this water reaches our home through pipes. We get the water through taps. So we mainly use rainwater and water from rivers for different uses. Okay, this water, how does it reach us? It reaches our home through pipes. And how do we get the water? We get the water through taps. Alright, so I hope this is clear to you students. We will do this much today. Okay, thank you. We will do this much for today. We will continue the lesson in the next class. Okay, so I hope the lesson is clear to you students. This much you read today. Learn it nicely. Okay, below my video the link is there. Click on the link, download it, read it nicely, learn it nicely. Okay, I will continue further with the lesson in the next class. Thank you students and God bless you.